Hello guys, how are you? Wish you a warm welcome to our channel and also our little family freecourses.com. Okay guys, so this is a very high time guys. So the second wave of the COVID-19 is very dangerous. So please guys, please wear masks and make a distance and stay safe. Okay. So today I am coming here with a job update or job notification which is coming from a which is a work from home job guys opportunity for all of us. I hope this will help many of you very much. Okay, or if you think that yeah this job or notification or this job update is very beneficial for us, please guys, please like this video and please share this video to your family members and friends guys. Okay, let's start it out. And one more thing guys, I am organize this type of work job updates and these are free courses for students, not only for students, for any professionals also, and internship and also the job updates, certificates, okay, and also internships. Okay, day to day I am updating in my channel. So please guys, please subscribe. Please hit this subscribe button so it will be make more motivated to make more videos. Okay, so let's start it our today's talking. So this job notification is coming from the Amazon. I hope you all are heard about this name. It is a world largest e-commerce website. So ROC, the relay operation system, it is the central command and the control system for transportation execution across the Amazon supply chain network. Okay, guys. So so what is the job description? So it you the a transportation specialist at the ROC facility the flow of the information between different stakeholders instant those who are warehouse and the trans carriers hubs and resolve any type of potential issues, and you have to resolve these each potential issues and impacts customer experience and business community and transport of especially at the ROC works across the two vehicles and inbound and outbound operations. So the main thing I am telling you in a very way, simply you have to communicate, you have to middle member. Okay, you have to communicate these persons, those who are transported the things, uh, the I am saying the objects, or you can say that the packets they carry. Okay, you have to communicate them. Okay, and make a good relation with them. Okay, so you can say that the job description you have to communicate them. You're a communication member guys. Okay, you have to communicate them, you have to talk to them. Okay, and resolve this matter internal and also the outer matters. Okay, so inbound operations deal suppose the vendor carrier FC relationship and ensuring that the freak and the pickup on the time and delivery at the FC as per their given appointment. And you have to a good relation, you have to build a good relation with the customers. Okay, and also the vendors carriers, and it is the inbound and outbound like carrier hub relations and ensuring that the truck leaves the FC in the order to deliver the customer orders as per their promise. Okay, so what is the roles and responsibilities? Communication, you have to good communication skills guys, ability to pull the data of the numerous database. So you have to brief knowledge about the using the advanced Excel, SQL, and other data management system, and perform the HOC reporting and analyzing as needed. They plus develop and or the understand perform metrics and assist and driving business result. Okay, so you have to make the business chart, pie diagrams through the advanced Excel, SQL database. You have to store the data. Okay, you have to work with data. Okay, so you have to have knowledge about the SQL, my SQL. Okay, so work within the various times. So what is the you will be asking? So what is the what from which time to which time we have to work? Okay, so it is a 24 into 7 work guys. Okay, you have to work for 8 hours. Okay, you have to work only for 8 hours. So you also work at the day shift. You also work for the night shift. If you work any type of overtime, so you also pay for it. They also pay for you for this overtime. And what is the basic qualification? Let's looking for the basic qualification. You have to only a bachelor's degree and above, 0 to 84 48 months on work experience. Okay, it means fresher to the inexperience. So good communication skills, transportation specialist will be the facilitating flow of the information between the external parties and professional in advance Excel যেমন pivot tables and P lookups, ability to handle the interpret large sets of data, demonstrates ability to work in the team and very dynamic environment. So there will be a master if you if you have any master degree, so it will be very good for you to select in this to select. Okay, so it is a very good for you guys. Bachelor's degree in engineering and supply chain and computers or related field will excellent academic record require guys. So if you had the engineering degree, BTech degree, so it will be very good for you guys because if you got this degree, the basic qualification is no only graduation, okay, in any type of field, but except if you have the BTech degree, so it will be very helpful to select in this job. Okay, so weekly off. Okay guys, there is a rotational 2 day off, but they does not mention here that which days they off. Okay, so suppose if you suppose that if you are off at Monday Tuesday, if you off on Monday Wednesday, that's like okay, any 2 days of a week. Okay, so Amazon is committed to deserve an inclusive workplace. Okay, equal opportunity so they also telling the some rules and regulations. Okay, it is a basic rules and regulation. They does not discriminate the basis on the race, the gender identity, sexual orientation, protected interstatus, disability, age. Okay, so this is the registration form, guys. It's a very easy to register to fill up this form. The source, how did you find out about this job? Okay, so here is a call job board, social media advertisement, Amazon employee referral agency, campus, and others. Okay, you have to fill this section. Okay, from where you will be able to know it. Okay, from where you find out about this job. Okay, or from where you will be uh, know about this news. Oh, so full name, here you will fill out the full name, email ID, mobile number, alternative mobile number if you have any type of alternative mobile number. Okay, put it down because it is a red mark, so it is a, you can say it is a mandatory thing. So date of birth, gender, citizenship. So there is a three Bhutan, Nepal, and India, three states and other states. Okay, sorry, three countries are eligible for it, and other states are also eligible for it. And address, there is a address, current city, current state, pin code, highest qualification, highest degree, year of passing, education type, experience, total experience in months. Okay, if you are a fresher, you also eligible for it. Does not worried about guys. Notice period, current employee and last employee, current monthly salary and last withdraw salary in any year. Means please enter the monthly salary in numbers. If your salary is 10,000 per month, then enter the 10 and 4 zeros. Okay, so if you work before any other jobs. Okay, if you going to before in this. Okay, if you working any other. Okay, so fill it by only the numbers in salary. Please enter the monthly salary in numbers and other details. Are you willing to work overtime as per the business requirements? There is the basic things, guys. They're telling you Aadhaar card, voter ID card, the CV or resume photo. By clicking in this box, I am confirming my understanding of this following, and then I am not a robot. Okay, and then submit button. So it is a very easy to fill this form, guys. Okay, so fill properly, read this what they ask. Okay, so for the what they ask and fill this appropriately, fill this form appropriately. So so thank you guys, I hope you will be beneficial for this video. Okay, if you really beneficial for it, please guys, please subscribe this our channel and please like this video and please share it to your family and friends. Thank you guys.